Okay, we're gonna shorten up this shelf, and it was one long one. We're gonna make it into two shorter ones, and we're gonna make a rounded end on it. So we've cut this section out, and it's hollow core, so we've had to put some of the wood that came out of the center of the piece we cut out in here to brace it across this way so it doesn't bend when you put some weight on it. We did that by cutting with our multi-tool in this way flat, so that we could get the wood to sit up against that. So here's some of that piece that we got out of the section we cut out. We'll just mark it like this where we need to cut it. Mark along here. Approximately where we gotta go. We're gonna mark from about where we need to cut from side to side. And then we're gonna use our multi-tool to cut that. Now we cut down the center here to split these out. Now we've cut that, we can break away our little sections of wood and hopefully pry them out of there. Probably still not cut quite deep enough. Now that we broke that out, we'll be able to slip our other pieces in there for gluing. So we'll cut this piece and make some blocks for the ends to fill it in. So now these are the filler blocks that we're going to put in on the ends. We'll just glue them up, slide them in. Oh, put this block upside down. I want that this direction. Smooth side up.
Smooth side up.
Yep, smooth side up.
Do you mean smooth side out?
Yeah, smooth side out. I'll put some more glue in here.
Do you remember that neighbor that wanted us to have the fence smooth side out?
Yes.
Facing them. Smooth side.
Yes, smooth side out. We did give them the smooth side out. Guess the lumber wasn't smooth enough.
No. The free lumber.
Yeah. Yes, it's true. Now we gotta take this down. To our cutouts. That's about right. There we go. Looks like our wood might be okay here. Nope. Small gaps. I guess we'll have to use some wood filler in there after. And we'll just clamp this up for now. We'll put a bunch of clamps on it. Until it, we'll let that dry.
Do we have one that's dry?
We have one that's already dry. We did the other one here and it turned out a little better. It had smaller gaps on it, but not too worried about that. This piece that we glued in there is to help stiffen it up so it doesn't fold in the middle because it's hollow core, and then we'll have the 2 shelves. So now we're going to take it and trim this little bit of excess wood here. We'll use the scroll saw. Cut it with a scroll saw and then we'll sand it smooth after. See how that turned out, not too bad there. We're going to use the little finger sander just to sand that edge. Hopefully this turns out. Alright, so we'll plug this in and turn it on from the back here. Speed controls it back. There we go. Now we'll just stain it to match the color. Okay, let's mix up some wood filler. We'll start with a little bit of sawdust and we'll just add some glue. And we'll mix that up until we got something that might work for what we want to use it for. There we go, that's not bad. It's got some wood in it, it's got some glue, and now I will grab the part I needed over here. I just wanted to fill in those cuts where I cut in from the side to make a spot for the wood to sit. Force that in there really good. Any other gaps you might have, you can fill them in. This doesn't look bad, so we won't bother with it. Now I gotta scrape off the excess a little bit. Just wipe off the excess glue.
Looks good.
Not bad there. Alright, we'll put a stain over that after it's done.